Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the Nokia 2760, released in 2007. That phone works at GSM 900 and 1800 MHz at Europe. The United States version works at 850 with 1900 MHz, 2G GSM bands. So let's take a look. As you can see, we found a VGA camera, which records also video, a second display for notifications like calls, messages, alarms, clock. The phone is from Movistar network from Spain. At the bottom there is completely nothing. At the left side the same. At the top we found the jack 2.5mm for audio output and the Nokia 2mm charger port. At the right side also completely nothing. Sorry guys, because the phone is a bit damaged, as you can see. At the back only the Nokia logo and Movistar network. So if we open it, this is how it looks. There is the earpiece, speaker, the keyboard, Nokia logo. The phone has 1.9 inches display with a resolution of 128 by 160 pixels. So nothing much. Let's turn it on. Okay, it says I installed a blocked SIM. No problem. What more to say about the phone? The phone has 10 megabytes of internal memory. It doesn't accept any external micro SD card. It has Bluetooth 2.0 connectivity for transfer data. It doesn't include USB connection for transfer data to the PC. It has a 700 mAh battery BL4B that gives to the phone up to 6 hours by talking time and up to 310 hours of standby. I really like how it looks. The second display, it's inverted, polarized inverted. So this is how it looks, the phone. And now let's take a look at the main menu. What it includes: some messages, contacts, call register, gallery, web browser, navigator, which is WAP 2.0, settings, organizer, multimedia, some apps, Emotion, which is the browser from Movistar, and SIM card settings. So let's start taking a look at the Ringtones, your favorite section. So that was all about the ringtones. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this. Now let's take a look at the message tones. Yeah, sorry, I don't know where was the message 5, which is missing, sorry about it. Please comment below what do you think about the phone, about its ringtones. Now let's take a look, for example, at the gallery with the themes it includes. My favorite theme is the Nokia blue one, which the phone doesn't include it. This one is my favorite, the blue one. Very simple, very simple. There you see, heard them. From Movistar. I really don't like that themes from Movistar, because it's free ad in your phone, in my opinion. There you can see. What more? Summer was the theme was set in the intro of the video. So the last one is rhythm. Not bad. Simple. I like it. So what's more at the gallery? I think nothing much. The wallpapers, let's take a look. Okay, that was all about the wallpapers. Some screensavers, which are from Movistar. Clip arts, which are for edit your photos, images, frames, and nothing much. So what more about the phone? At organizer we found alarm, calendar, to do things, notes, calculator, stopwatch. At multimedia we found camera, radio FM, voice recorder. So let's take a look at the camera. I want to show you one phone I will record in my next videos. HTC Hero. There you can see the phone has zoom, the trackball of the HTC. Okay, so that was my example. It also can record video with zoom. Okay, and I think that was all about the phone. I really like how it looks, the second display, inverted. So that was all, my friends. Please like and subscribe for more stuff like this.